How to use Passkey Encrypted backups on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can easily set up encrypted backups for your WhatsApp chats. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up your WhatsApp application on your device. Once you open up WhatsApp, all you have to do is tap on the three dots at the top right corner and then go over to settings. Once on the settings menu, you want to go to the chat section, and then at the bottom you can find chat backups. Tap on it. Then at the very bottom, you can find end-to-end encryption. So for added security, you can protect your backup with end-to-end encryption. Tap on it, and you need to tap on turn on. Then you can either do this by creating a password or using a 64-digit encryption key. I'll just continue on with the password. You can easily create your password here and then tap on next. Once you've done that, tap on next. Then you're going to have to retype your password and you're good to go. So that is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.